Hey, what's up guys, Ollie here. So ever since I posted these in the background of another picture, I have had a ton of questions about them. They are pretty cool little tube lights that are basically used for decorative purposes. So if you've been keeping up with IKEA's SPANST range, this is from their new SPANST range. So these tubes come in two different sizes. There is a bigger one here, a long one. Don't exactly know how long they are, but and then there was a smaller one. So I ended up getting two. I ended up getting one long one that you can see here, and then I've got one short one as well. They're just simple LED light bars, sort of light tubes. They're not warm or anything. They don't get hot or anything. So you know, they're made from LEDs and they give a really nice glow. I think they look awesome. There's a little switch here which you can use to turn them on and off. So the lights themselves are actually powered by USB, which makes it super easy to connect them up. You know, if you have them in your workspace or whatever, you can just connect them up to your computer or connect up to a USB hub and they'll be powered pretty easily. I power them through IKEA power brick. The power brick has like 3 USB ports on the bottom and it's actually a powerful power brick. You know, you can charge your phones with it and everything. So yeah, it doesn't have to just be used for the lights. I think the power brick is awesome regardless. As I mentioned, they are mainly for decorative purposes because you can't change the color of them. You can't change the brightness of them. There's literally only an on-off button. That's simple as that. They're made to be very simple. They use a really nice sort of threaded cable design, which I think looks awesome. And they're pretty affordable. They're pretty cheap. I think this one was like £14 and that one was £24, £25. And when you get them in the box, you do get brackets with them. I can't find the brackets. I think I threw them away by accident. I mainly use them just to put them up on the wall, like put them up against the wall like you can see here. But you can get brackets for them, so which can basically, they go into the bracket, you can drill it into anything. So you could put it under like a cabinet, or you could put it in a wardrobe, or you can put it anywhere you like really. You can just stick it up on the wall if you like. I think they're really cool. I think they're really awesome. They look really cool. They look really stylish. They're really nice and just minimalist. They give a nice glow. I usually have them up in the corner of my office. I think they look really cool in the corner there. It sort of just sort of gives a nice mood and look to the corner of the room. So yeah, these are from IKEA, the SPANST range. It's their new range. I'll leave links to them in the description below. I know a lot of people have been very interested in where I got them from and what they're like. So yeah, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.